Just a quick review about this dryer. Okay, as you see, you get the timer. As you turn it on, it goes to 190. Then it starts back over to 20. Now let's just see, 20. That'd be probably 20 minutes of drying, 40 minutes of drying, 60 minutes, 80 minutes, 100 minutes, 120, 140, 160, 180. Then it goes to 200. So that's how much heat you can let it go and go and go. And that's what I love about it. And you just hit the start button and it will begin depending on your time. I mean, I put mine I say 190, in which it was loaded. As you can see, it's pretty fairly deep inside, and that little vent, that little filter there, you just reach in and take the little 4 holes here, take it, turn it like so, just pop it out, and then it's got this little place here. You just peel this off, and let's see if I can do this. Here, hold this. So it catches all the lint, which that's from a lot of towels. It's real thick. That's pretty good. I really like it. Just pop that back on, flip it over, slide your little filter back on there. Follow inside. Just stick it in a little hole and just twist it. See? Good to go. And I really enjoy it. And you got this little connection that comes with it, in which I bought the other. When you go to buy the dryer, it'll give you like 3 other things that you can purchase with it. Well, I bought the little.
Hey guys, I want to share with you this 110 volt compact laundry dryer. It is a 1.5 cubic feet front loader stainless steel tub. You have an easy to control panel on the front of it, and it will fit up to 10 pounds of wet clothing. So when I first got this, the dryer didn't work, so I contacted the support on the back of the user manual to figure out how I can get this fixed. I did not want to ship it. I tried all of the suggested things, made sure that the drum was free and not bound up, made sure that it had power, made sure that it was plugged in, made sure that the door was closed. So all those were a check, 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 and still no, spinning. So I just unboxed this. It was quite frustrating at first, to try and get this figured out. So it does have different heat settings. You can go up to 200 minutes. It has an air dry and a hot and cool dry, and you can turn it to high and low. So you also will need to clean out the filter in the back there. It's not as convenient as the other filters, but it's pretty easy to do, and it will need to be vented if you're using this inside, but if you're using it outside on a balcony or in your backyard or something for whatever, it does work. So the problem ended up being that the belt had come off during transit, and they said just because of the vibration of travel, sometimes how hard they are with the packages, it can come off. So we just had to put it back on and then put the back panel back on, and it worked flawlessly. So it doesn't dry as great as traditional dryers. It does take a little bit longer, but it was, putting out some good heat. And I think it also just depends on what you're drying and how heavy it is as to how quick that's going to work. So with this, I was just doing the high heat setting, and it fit 2 large towels in there and had no issues with it. So overall,
So today I just received my new dryer. I don't like washing clothes in my public facility, as I live in a very large complex of, oh gosh, over 100 units in Salem, Oregon. However, I have a spin washer, and I just received this dryer today. I do have it hooked up to a high-end water capture unit, so I don't have to deal with the moisture. However, that right there was my first load. That load, minus the blue towels, took 20-25 minutes dry time. I have a spin washer that does 18 pounds at a time, and that was one cycle. So I will say, yes, I just received this, and it is new. The squeak, I'm gonna give it up to it's new. It'll wear out. I can't hear it in my other room. And, yep, absolutely silent. However,
you see I got a load in here now. I've got 2 suits of clothes. And let's start it up. Watch out. Come on. And I like that I don't always have to put it on exactly 200 minutes to get it started. Right now I got it on 36 minutes to dry, but I can increase the time. I can pause it. I can easily add 66 in 30 minutes. Or if I just need 30 minutes, I can go all the way over, hit start, and go from there. And I don't have to babysit it, you know, and make sure that with other portable dryers, to get it hot, you have to start at least 200 minutes. Not with this one. I can put it on the lowest time and it's still going to get hot enough to dry. But it's also got the echo.
I got the larger of the portable dryers, the one that can take 13 point something pounds, and it's amazing. My old dryer died a month ago. I've had this going solidly now for 2 days, and it does the best job. It's quiet. It does a wonderful job. It's much better than my old full-size dryer, and I am so happy with it. I am almost 70 years old. I got this in by myself. I set it up by myself. I'm very pleased with myself, and
this dryer is amazing. I got the 2.65. Works great. So takes a little longer to dry with a normal dryer, but that's expected. But I think it was well worth the money. The only problem is it has a little squeak noise when it stops, and it stops and then it turns back.
It does come with a hose. It doesn't say that on the details, but it does come with a hose for the window or the vent. And I have a full load in there. There's a lot of lint out of each load. I have this whole basket full and it fits in there.
Really quiet.
Four.
It's very small. Drying a load of clothes right now, and it works great. This is the second load of clothes I've dried in an hour. It dries them within 30 minutes. Fits in a very I really like it, but as you can see, it's not rotating, it's not spinning for some reason. But it's hot, you can feel it, but it's not rotating, not spinning.
That's the noise it makes with laundry in it.